Quality is a habit. Quality assurance and quality enrichment is a continuous process, and we all, the higher education institutions, lives in it. Considering this, IQAC, Internal Quality Assurance Cell RMTU, in association with LND, Learning and Development Corporate ISEC Limited, organized this one-day national seminar on quality enhancement initiatives to achieve excellence. It's indeed a pleasure for all of us to have the benign presence of Dr. Sandeep Sancheti sir, Vice Chancellor, Marbury University, in our campus, who will be delivering his address on the topic Quality Enhancement Initiatives to Achieve Excellence. Once again, a warm welcome to sir with a huge round of applause. The man behind it and the person behind the quality assurance and sustenance with us, the chairperson of IQAC, we all welcome our dearest Professor Rajnikant sir, Vice Chancellor Rabindranath Tagore University, with a huge round of applause. We have on stage Dr. Sanjeev Gupta sir, the Dean Academic Affairs, and taking care of the quality measures, especially in the curriculum enrichment and the teaching learning, which is a prime job of the Dean Academic Affairs. Somehow Padmeshwar missed to sit on the stage, sir. I request you to please be on the stage. Your dice is here. Padmesh Chaturvedi sir, who is actively coordinating this event from the day one. A huge round of applause for Padmesh sir. He's the academic coordinator of Internal Quality Assurance Cell. I also welcome the entire academic fraternity sitting before me, deans, respected deans, HODs, deputy registrars, and all the faculty members who are sitting here, and also the members from the Scope Global Skill University who are here with us, also from the ISEC Limited. Archana Madam is here with us, the head of the L&D. And also, sir, I would like to highlight here that we have online participation of all the majority of the faculty members. So far, we have 40 plus participants online, and eventually people are joining. So we have 6 universities. So ISEC Group of University welcomes you because they are here with the online presence, and thanks to this ICT, so that we can say that this session is not on offline mode, it's a hybrid mode, offline and online. Welcome ISEC Group of University faculty members, senior officials who have joined online via Zoom. Once again, welcome to all of you. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vidyam Rupena Sanskrita Namastasye 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 Namo Namah. हम किसी भी कार्यक्रम का विधिवत शुभारंभ बिना मां सरस्वती के चरणों में पुष्प अर्पण किए बिना नहीं करते। मैं मंचासीन अतिथिगणों से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वो कृपया दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस कार्यक्रम का विधिवत शुभारंभ करें। I invite respected dean members who are sitting in the first row, deputy registrars, and floral welcome to our guest of the day, Dr. Sandeep Sancheti sir. हमारे विश्वविद्यालय प्रांगण में सर का बहुत बहुत स्वागत, अभिनंदन। संजीव सर, request Sanjeev sir to please give this welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Professor Rajnikant sir. Thank you, sir. As we all know, higher education is going in a transformative way with an emphasis on the development of creative potential of everyone. Various accreditation and ranking frameworks and the system will be definitely changed, but the parameters and the key parameters will remain the same. How to ensure the quality in all those parameters is the talk of the day, and as I said, indeed we are privileged to have two eminent speakers in this regard. Before I invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor to enlighten us with the importance of this accreditation and ranking framework, permit me to share certain credentials of our university, Rabindranath Tagore University, formerly known as ISET University. And fortunately, Sancheti sir was a part of the Vice Chancellor Central Zone meeting which we hosted in the year 2017. Sir was here with us in the same auditorium, and many of the Vice Chancellors were there who have given their deliberations. As a university continuously working with a vision to promote the science, technology, art, culture, entrepreneurship, we all know that. And talking about the growth, we are trying to have all the aspects in line with the national and international goals, and we are trying to support the students in a holistic way. We talk about the accreditation and ranking, so we always say this very loudly, that in Central India, our university is the first university who is consecutively securing National Institutional Ranking Framework since 5 years. I think we can have a round of applause. And this year also, under the able guidance of Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, we are aiming to secure the such more good grade into it. As we know that NIRF and NEC are the two epitome ranking and accreditation measures we are looking forward. Sir, I would like to highlight once again the most important achievement of the present time. Recently, we have received the accreditation of ICAR. Congratulations to the Agriculture Department and the entire university and the administrative system for supporting this. So, if you see NIRF, if you see NEC accredited, if you see ICAR, we all are working on it, and we are working continuously to achieve these accreditations and to be, try to be on the top of it. I also would like to underline on this platform that couple of months back we secured sir NAC A grade in our one of the first university, Dr. C.V. Raman University, Bilaspur. That is also calling around the applause. So by all these things, I just want to highlight this, that we as a group under the able leadership of Honorable Chancellor Sir and with his blessings, we are working towards the quality assurance and sustenance. But as I said, that continuous guidance is required. What is happening around us and how we can enrich our quality, it is always required to have the words from the galaxy of the intellect. So in this regard, to begin the seminar talk, I request now Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to please share his words of wisdom, sharing the importance of accreditation and ranking framework in higher education. I request you, sir, please.
On the dais, my friend Dr. Sandeep Sancheti, who has been very kind to have accepted the invitation, and thank you so much for being here. On the dais, our colleagues from RNTU, and off the dais, all the deans, heads and staff member, non-teaching staff members of RNTU, and the respected vice chancellors and registrars, deans and faculty from all the ISET group of universities who are connected with us through online mode. Today, friends,